Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So today, again, it was a Friday. It was supposed to be a good day, but I ended up being break even. By break even, I lost first 3% and then gained back 3%, making it zero gains. But I'll show you what mistake did I do, and so that in future you would avoid this mistake. And I hope that you learn something from this mistake. So as you see, the market is open, and I was trading SPCE, Virgin Galactic, as they had bad news. Saying that there was some issues in their recent test flight and they were fixing it, which apparently uh, it did not, it was not a good sentiment overall, and I thought that it could be, I could short this. So before shorting it, I usually wait for a pull up, and then when it comes down, I make sure I um, you know let the stock breathe and let it go up before, because all the pre-market guys are taking away the profits. So I was waiting. As you see, it did pull up for a bit, and the first 5 minutes it went up like crazy. And I'll just keep this running for you, and once second candle is here, I'll come back again and explain why I did end up jumping in, and what went wrong, and why my first trade went wrong. All right. All right. So as you see, the second candle is up. I was expecting once it breaks 37.50, I'll be in, and I'm in. And once I'm in, I was expecting anywhere 2%. Uh, so I was already in green, and it went down till 37.10, but then it went up. And as you see, near 37 there's a huge resistance near 37.10, which I thought that it would break easily, but it did not. And it went up and up and up. My 38 was my stop loss, and once it breaks that, I'm out. So and you will see that I'm out, but they ended up filling my order at 37 38.20, right? So giving away almost 2.53%, which was huge. As you see, my stop loss is hit, and 37 38 20, 26 was the location where it did get filled. So I was waiting again, and I knew the news was really bad. So I thought that okay, I'll just wait and watch. Hope mostly I don't overtrade, or I don't trade twice. But I knew the news was bad and it needs to come down anytime soon. So I was just waiting and watching it. So as you see, this was the resistance which I didn't see, 37.11. That's the, I don't know, the support you would say, but I ended up not seeing this, and ignoring this gave back 3% to the market, and I could have took 1%. But anyways, so I'll show you the second trade which I did, and I'll come back once I entered, and I'll explain why I entered there, and then why I exited my the second trade. Okay. So we are in our third candle, and as you can see, there's a huge gap from 39.20 to 38. So I went in. I was supposed to go in by 39.80, but it filled my order at 38.75, which was not bad. It's okay because I had great 2% up till 38. So I was just waiting and expecting it to go near 38 because there was no resistance or support before 38. So I waited there, and as you see, it took time, but it did end up coming near 38. So yeah, that was my second trade, and as you see, once it touches 38, I'm out, and I'll come back. So um, once it touches 38, I come out of that trade, but I jump back in again because there was again 1% more that I was supposed to take from that market because it did take back from me. But not only because of that, but I thought that once it breaks 38, there was no sign of reversal before 38. I was expecting it to go near 38, but it was really slow as it's Friday, and the market was choppy. So I'll just leave here and let you watch the trade, and I'll come back again for my third trade where I took another 1% because I was really sure that it will give me back my 1% because there was no sign of recovery from there. So I'll come back again and I'll let you guys watch this. Right. So after 38, it didn't come down. So I went back in again because I know that it will fill that gap from 37.50 to 37. So I went back in at 38, 37.66, where else I was supposed to come in at 37.75, but it's okay. So I jump back in before 37. I'm out because once I see that I'm breaking even, and that's it. I was not greedy at all. I didn't want any more money, but because I did mess up for my first trade, so I just thought that I'll just make sure that I recover my money and I'm gone. So once I see zero on my PNL and I'm out. I took almost 0.7% more. So whereas you can see this going on, it goes on pushing down up till 36 if I'm not wrong. So yes, that was my today's trade, and hope you like it. And make sure you subscribe and check out my Spotify and my other YouTube videos where I do the live trades. Thank you guys.